How to control EV3 via Bluetooth using the Lego Commander app. First, you need a mobile phone or tablet with Bluetooth function. Before starting to connect to Bluetooth, be sure to go to the settings of the EV3 host. Find the Bluetooth function and check the first two items. Then confirm. Now open the app installed on your phone or tablet. This is not a machine we built, so keep clicking the right arrow. After arriving at the custom robot interface, click the red button to start programming. Select a plus sign near the right. Select the part numbers of the two large motors of the robot. The button here is to control the direction of motor rotation. Select the Add button. After editing the Move button, then select a place to the right to write other button programs. Consider layout and choose a vertical button. Now start connecting to the EV3 host. Click the small wrench button in the lower right corner. Select the option corresponding to the host name. After entering the Bluetooth connection initial password 1234, click the OK button. Select here to confirm the connection. Reconfirm. If it fails again, restart the Bluetooth of the EV3 host. Try connecting again. After the connection is successful, the host will emit a red light and display this pattern. You can test it next. If you want to disconnect, you can click the back button on the console. Or click the small wrench icon in the lower right corner of the software interface. After disconnecting, can change button port, motor rotation direction, or delete. And re-add buttons and other operations. Reconnect again. Note it is easy to fail to connect after disconnecting. Need to try a few more times.